Hey there, welcome to my channel, it's me, the Mind Injector. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best ways to make money online in 2023. With the rise of the internet and technology, there are now more opportunities than ever to earn money from the comfort of your own home. So let's dive in. First up, online freelancing. This is a great way to use your skills and expertise to make money online. There are many platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer that connect freelancers with clients who need their services. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or marketer, there is always demand for freelance work. Just create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Another way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale that you refer. There are many affiliate networks such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale that allow you to find products to promote. Just create a website or social media page, drive traffic to your links, and earn commissions. Number 3 on the list is online courses. If you're an expert in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell courses on any topic imaginable. Just create your course content, upload it in the platform, and start earning passive income. Another way to make money online is by completing online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for market research, so they'll pay you for your opinions. Platforms like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and Windale Research pay users for completing surveys, watching videos, and more. Lastly, you can start your own e-commerce business. With platforms like Shopify and Etsy, it's easier than ever to start an online store and sell products. Just find a niche, create a website, and start marketing your products. You can even use dropshipping to sell products without having to hold inventory. So, those are some of the best ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, there are plenty of opportunities available. Just remember, it takes time, effort, and dedication to build a successful online business. This is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below.